Hello friends, I have received multiple demands from our colleagues in past few days to discuss the issues under PCPNDT Act where uniformity in implementation is lacking. As we all know, PCPNDT Act has created havoc amongst our fraternity members. The main reason behind this is not the act itself, but the main reason is because there are so many loopholes in the act itself. There are differences of interpretation of the act by different appropriate authorities. Different appropriate authorities implement the act haphazardly. And last but not least, the divergent judgments given by different courts have created fear amongst our fraternity members. So definitely there is a need to discuss all these things. We all know that PCPNDT Act is a central act, and central act is to be implemented all over India in a similar way. But in case of PCPNDT Act, in different states, it is implemented differently by different appropriate authorities. Even in a single state, there is no uniformity amongst the appropriate authorities in different districts. And somewhere, even in a single district, if there are more than one of appropriate authority, they are implementing PCPNDT Act differently. So this is the reason why there is a havoc in the fraternity. One by one, in the series of this uniform implementation of PCPNDT Act, we will discuss all the issues where uniformity is lacking and what should be the exact interpretation by the appropriate authority. We will discuss one by one in this series of our web meetings. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hello friends. In series of lacking in uniform implementation of PCPNDT, today we will discuss the issue regarding where to display Form B, that is the certificate of registration. According to PCPNDT Act section 19 subsection 4 and according to PCPNDT rule 6 subsection 2 clearly mentions that the certificate, one copy of the certificate should be displayed at a conspicuous place in the place of business. Now, if we go to section 19, it is said that the appropriate authority will issue the certificate of registration in duplicate. In duplicate means they will give you one copy, two copies at the time of registration. And they have mentioned that one copy is to be kept in record and one original copy is to be displayed at a conspicuous place. The provisions are absolutely clear. Now, what is the meaning of conspicuous place? If we go through the dictionary meaning of conspicuous place means the place which is easily visible to all the passerby. That means somebody who is entering in the hospital or somebody who is leaving the hospital it should be easily possible to see that particular certificate of registration, and it should be displayed at a particular place where it is visible. Now, there is absolutely no uniformity of implementation, because I can say that in a few cases where doctor displayed the certificate in OPD, when appropriate authority came for inspection, they demanded that why didn't you display this certificate in sonography room where you are doing sonography? In another case, when doctor displayed in sonography room only, in the similar case, the same appropriate authority at the hospital of other doctor, he said that why you have displayed in sonography room and why you have not displayed in OPD. Now, this kind of interpretation, by doing this kind of interpretation, the doctor are being harassed by appropriate authority and which is absolutely not reasonable and not acceptable. In a few cases, suppose in one hospital, there are 10 machines. So appropriate authority demands that near each and every machine, you should put a copy of Form B. Now, there is no such provision in PCPNDT Act. It is clearly mentioned under PCPNDT Act that one copy of Form B is to be displayed in the place of business at a conspicuous place. And there is no provision of displaying more than one copy under PCPNDT Act. So demand to display Form B, that is certificate of registration, at more than one place or at all places where different sonography machines are lying is unreasonable, and it is not as per Act. It is not explainable under PCPNDT Act or PCPNDT rules. And there is no uniformity of implementation of this particular section, because at a few places they demand that certificate is to be displayed in OPD. Somewhere they demand that it should be displayed at the entry of sonography room. Somewhere they demand that certificate is to be displayed near sonography machine. And somewhere they demand that it should be at the main gate of the hospital. So there are different demands by different appropriate authority, and there is a complete lack of uniformity in interpretation. These kind of things are needed to be interpreted uniformly by appropriate authority, and there is a need to guide or to issue circular in reference to such regard, to give knowledge to the appropriate authority that what exactly is the requirement, and there is a need to implement PCPNDT Act uniformly all over India. Dear friends, thank you very much.